Introduction. The Shia school of Muslim law is one of the two main schools of Muslim law. Muslim law is mainly divided into two schools, Shia and Sunni, each having its own rules and interpretations. Shia school is followed by Shia Muslims. The Shia school developed due to differences of opinion regarding the succession of the Prophet Muhammad and interpretation of Islamic law. This school governs personal matters like marriage, divorce, inheritance, maintenance and guardianship of Shia Muslims. Meaning of Shia law. Shia law refers to that part of Muslim law which is followed by Shia Muslims. It is based mainly on the teachings of the Imams, who are considered the rightful successors of the Prophet. Shia law has its own rules and interpretations which are different from Sunni law. Sources of Shia law. The main sources of Shia law are Quran, Hadith, Ijma, Aql, reason. Quran is the primary and most important source. Hadith are sayings and traditions of the Prophet Muhammad and Imams. Ijma means consensus of Shia jurists on a particular issue. Reason, Aql means logical thinking and reasoning used to decide legal matters when there is no clear rule in the Quran or Hadith. In Shia law, Aql is an important source of law and is used instead of qiyas. Important point. Shia law does not accept qiyas, analogy, like Sunni law. Instead, it uses reason, Aql. Qiyas, analogy. Qiyas means deciding a new legal problem by comparing it with a similar case already mentioned in the Quran or Hadith. When there is no direct rule, scholars use logic to apply an existing rule to a new situation. Reason, Aql, means logical thinking and reasoning used to decide legal matters when there is no clear rule in the Quran or Hadith. In Shia law, Aql is an important source of law and is used instead of qiyas. Nature of Shia law. More strict compared to Sunni law. Less flexible due to non-acceptance of qiyas. Usage of reason, Aql, for deciding legal matters. Strong reliance on religious texts and Imams. Clear and fixed rules. Subschools of Shia law. The Shia school is mainly divided into two important subschools, Ithna Ash'ari, 12us, and Ismaili school. Ithna Ash'ari, 12us. Introduction. Ithna Ash'ari, also known as the 12us, is the most important school of Shia Muslim law. It is followed by the majority of Shia Muslims, including those in India. The Ithna Ash'ari school is the most important and widely followed Shia sub-school. Belief in 12 Imams. The word Ithna Ash'ari means followers of 12 Imams. Shia Muslims believe that these 12 Imams are the rightful religious leaders after Prophet Muhammad. Features. Belief in 12 Imams. Sources of law are Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Aql, reason. Followed by most Shia Muslims, including those in India. Uses reason, Aql, instead of qiyas. Recognized by Indian courts. Has specific rules regarding marriage, inheritance, and succession. Thus, the Ithna Ash'ari school is the main Shia school of Muslim law. It is based on religious texts and reason and plays an important role in governing the personal law of Shia Muslims. Ismaili school. Introduction. The Ismaili school is an important sub-school of Shia Muslim law. It is followed by Ismaili Shia Muslims, who differ from Ithna Ash'ari Shias in matters of religious leadership. The Ismaili school is followed by a smaller group. Features. Followers of Ismaili Shias. Smaller group compared to Ithna Ash'ari. Special importance to Imams. Sources of law are Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Aql, reason. Uses reason, Aql, instead of qiyas. Do not accept qiyas. Different rules in inheritance and succession. Special importance to Imams. Less common in India. Greater role of religious leadership. Application in India. Shia Muslims in India mainly follow the Ithna Ash'ari school. Indian courts apply Shia law according to the school followed by the parties. Personal matters are decided separately from Sunni law and according to Shia law. Courts apply the law according to the school to which the parties belong. Importance of Shia school. Preserves Shia religious beliefs. Provides a distinct system of Muslim personal law. Ensures justice according to Shia principles. Recognized and applied by courts in India. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Shia school of Muslim law is an important branch of Muslim law followed by Shia Muslims. It is based on the Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Aql, reason, and does not accept Shias. The main subschools of Shia law are Ithna Ash'ari school and Ismaili school. Shia laws are stricter than Sunni law. The Shia school plays a vital role in governing the personal and family matters of Shia Muslims. Thus, Sunni and Shia differ in belief and practice but share the same Islamic foundation.